Hey guys, welcome back to AY Outside. In this video, I'm going to tell you some tips and tricks for the speaker for the ninebot Go-Kart Pro. Let's do it. Alright, so the first tip I'm going to tell you guys about is the two different modes. So the way you switch between modes is you click this bottom button right here that it looks like a car. So the first mode is your engine sounds, which Bluetooth connects to the go-kart for the best experience. And the second mode is just your normal music, and you can change that mode just by clicking this button. And then this next button up here is your pause button, so you can pause the music, or if you're on the engine noises, you can change the engine type. And these are your volume up and down, and this is your off button. Now let's go on to the next tip. Alright, so our next tip is about the mount for the speaker. So if you come in here and, this is the way you take it off. So these rubber straps right here, you pull and you bring it around and you do the same thing to the bottom one, and now it's off. So, and the next thing I'm going to tell you about is how you can just put it right on your bike. So say you want music while you're riding your bike, you can just bring it over here, put it on, grab your straps, bring them around, and just put them on your bike. So this speaker is very versatile and you can pretty much use it on any vehicle. Now on to the next tip. Alright, now that I got my speaker on my bike, I'm going to turn on some music and let's ride. Alright, thank you guys for watching my tips and tricks video on the ninebot Go-Kart Pro speaker. Hope you thought it was pretty cool and you learned something. Remember to like, subscribe, comment if there's anything else you want me to do with the go-kart, and see you later.